breath of fresh air? From towering smokestacks to sprawling mining operations, industries often release a cocktail of harmful pollutants into the air we breathe. These microscopic particles, invisible to the naked eye, can lodge deep within our lungs, leading to respiratory illnesses, heart disease, and even cancer. The urgency to mitigate industrial pollution and protect public health has never been greater. Fortunately, innovative solutions are emerging to combat this invisible threat. One such solution, as elegant as it is effective, is the industrial water atomizer. These ingenious devices offer a simple yet powerful way to trap and neutralize harmful dust and emissions, clearing the air for a healthier future. Imagine a fine mist, so delicate it seems to dance on air, yet capable of capturing and grounding even the most stubborn dust particles. This, in essence, is the magic of an industrial water atomizer. These devices, often resembling oversized sprinklers, utilize high pressure to transform water into a vast curtain of microscopic droplets. As this mist encounters airborne pollutants, a remarkable transformation occurs. Dust particles, drawn to the water droplets like iron filings to a magnet, become enveloped and weighed down. The once airborne pollutants, now too heavy to remain aloft, fall harmlessly to the ground, preventing them from entering our lungs and polluting the environment. The effectiveness of water atomization hinges on a fundamental principle of physics: the attraction between water molecules and airborne particles. Water molecules, naturally cohesive, exhibit a strong affinity for particles suspended in the air. When forced through the tiny nozzles of an atomizer, water is transformed into a mist of minuscule droplets, each with an immense surface area relative to its volume. This amplified surface area maximizes the contact points between water and pollutants, enhancing the capture efficiency. The result is cleaner air, free from harmful dust and emissions. The benefits of employing water atomizers extend far beyond simply improving air quality. These versatile devices offer a compelling array of advantages, making them an attractive solution for industries seeking sustainable and cost-effective pollution control. Firstly, water atomizers are remarkably environmentally friendly. They utilize water, a readily available and benign resource, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals or complex filtration systems. Secondly, the operational costs are minimal, primarily limited to water consumption and electricity for the pump. Thirdly, their simple design translates to ease of installation and maintenance, minimizing downtime and operational headaches. Lastly, water atomizers boast remarkable versatility, effectively mitigating a wide range of pollutants from coarse dust particles to fine mists and aerosols. The efficacy of industrial water atomizers is not confined to theoretical projections. It is vividly illustrated in countless real-world applications. From bustling construction sites to sprawling mining operations, these unassuming devices are making a tangible difference in air quality around the globe. In the arid landscapes of open-pit mines, massive water atomizers, often mounted on towering platforms, create a protective curtain of mist, suppressing dust generated by heavy machinery and blasting operations. On construction sites, strategically placed atomizers prevent the spread of fine silica dust, safeguarding the respiratory health of workers and nearby communities. Even within enclosed industrial settings such as manufacturing plants and power stations, water atomizers are deployed to capture fugitive emissions, ensuring compliance with stringent environmental regulations. These success stories underscore the transformative potential of this simple yet powerful technology. In conclusion, as we navigate the challenges of a rapidly industrializing world, the imperative to protect our air quality remains paramount. Industrial water atomizers offer a beacon of hope, a simple, effective, and sustainable solution to mitigate harmful emissions and safeguard public health. By embracing this technology, industries can contribute to a cleaner, healthier future for all.
At Sustainable Technology Solutions, we are committed to providing innovative and sustainable solutions for industrial air quality improvement. If you have any questions about industrial water atomizers or need expert guidance on controlling dust and emissions, our team is here to help. Feel free to reach out to us. We look forward to assisting you in creating a cleaner, healthier environment.